This is Ashley here, aka Miss Dana. Today, I'm going to take you guys on my 8-day South Pacific Carnival cruise. We are on Carnival Luminosa. I'm going to show you guys what to pack and what to wear on every single activity that we get up to and what they don't tell you. So come along with me. We're going to have so much fun. Comfortable suite. I'm going to show you guys what I brought for this trip. Need a variety of hats. I have my cowboy hat for our country theme night, and obviously these are just resorty style kind of hats that I can wear when I go out on the excursions. To pack something very, very comfortable, so something a bit soft that you can lounge around. My beautiful gown that I've hung up here, so this way it doesn't crease. There's so much storage in this room. This stuff is down there. I've got mine up here. This is safe. Also a few drawers here. So this is makeup, hair stuff. This is Cynthia's closet. We also have this storage, but this is where I keep all my camera gear. Cynthia has some of her clothes there. I pack for a holiday. I always have all of my stuff already on my hangers. So this way, when I get in, I can just like plop it on. And there's summery, beautiful outfits for lots of different night out. Little packing cubes. I also got a little tote and a little eye mask to go with it as well. Lots of swimwear. Another thing that I would pack would be some kind of little tote or a basket. So this way you can walk around the ship with this little bag. I have kind of like this with lots of different outfits. This is kind of handy, and I also have my tiny mini handbags that I take around with me. So basically, this is two girls going on a date night. Finished dinner and we're off to the spa. It's the thermal suite after as well. Finished our little show. How was it? Yeah, that was so fun. I love like live entertainment. So this is the room. We can come here like every night. Tonight we're off to the white party. It's a silent disco, so we need to go get the headphones, and we're both wearing white. Cynthia's got the cutest dress on. I have to hold this. Show my a little tight, but you know. There's even a basketball court on top of the ship that you can use. We're off to breakfast, and you can book it on the app 10 minutes before you want to go, so that you can take Deck 9. Okay, I am now getting ready for their country night. So I got my full outfit. This is my boots, my country outfit, and I even brought a little country hat Don't look country enough.
Shuffle, shuffle, sorry I said it wrong. Forward, back, shuffle, shuffle. Cowboy corner, 3, 4. Cowboy corner, 3, 4. Spin to the right and pop. Now spin to the left and pop. And hit that lasso gallop. There we go. 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, shuffle, forward, back. Shuffle, shuffle. Cowboy corner, 3, 4. Cowboy corner, 3, 4. Spin to the right and spin to the left and add the lasso.
Country night, so I've learned to dance, which I've never really done before, but I do look the part. Currently, I am in this sauna, but it's so beautiful. The view is basically the entire horizon and the ocean. We're right at the front of the ship, and it's just so nice. I am loving this little relaxation area. It is perfect. Tepidarium room, which has like warm stones that you can chill out after you go for your sauna and your spa. And we have been here for like 10 minutes. It's the most relaxing. Look, she's... So why didn't you call? We're up on level 10. We got got chest tank over there. We're gonna play a little chat game. This is my little outfit, you know, the hot and flash. Yes!
So close. Oh, yes, dude.
Video! Is that for you?
Pretty good.
Your original guess was 80, but nobody listens to you,
Definitely
right?
get
Even
the
though you're
sushi.
wearing the toy. Was one.
Do we do serious?
Alright, so do the serious, not serious face. Give me a big smile now, that's it.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall.
Morning from New Caledonia. We have arrived on the island. We're about to dock, so I'm going to show you guys outside that swaying. My sort of outfit today. Wearing a bikini. We're off kayaking this morning. I'm wearing a little shorts in here. It's got the cutest little outfit.
Something in the air, always something different.
We have our life jacket on. I'm excited. We have made it to the little secret bay after we've been kayaking. The key is you need to bring some glasses, a waterproof bag, some water, because you get completely wet. It was quite windy, but now in this bay it's quite calm. That's just like a bay on that side. You can walk across to this side. Okay, and this is our port day. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing a little linen set. So we're gonna be cruising, shopping, and hopefully find something to eat. So I have my little basket with me, so go for island look. Made it from hotel. We're just getting a little coffee now and going for a walk. We went to this little basket with all handmade things, so we just explored that a little. And now we're going inside. We're gonna find coconut squid.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you?
Found myself in a little pod with my coffee. I go down to the Sand Cafe and get my coffee every morning. She's so lovely. Every time I go down, she's like, Ashley, you're back. And I'm like, yep, I get the same. And the coffee here on the ship is really good. All the staff are incredible. I have to give a big shout out to Jamina, my stewardess, for our every morning I come out and she's like, Ashley, Cynthia, like, how's your trip? How's your night? Did you sleep well? Like, every single day, her energy is high. Where we come out, we're like, good morning, we're just walking up, we're gonna go get some breakfast. And all the bar staff, all my waitresses, all the waiter, all the cleaners, security, like everyone on the ship are amazing. I have to also shout out to Louis, who's the cruise director, and he handles all the entertainment and he MC the entire ship. And he's incredible. He actually should be on TV, so I'm so impressed by the way he is. So that's been really fun. So a little recap, we had kind of like not so great weather for the first few days, but also that didn't really matter too much because there were so many amazing activities that we did with this putt, yes, love and marriage, which was so funny. You need to definitely see that. It's a little show. They picked 3 married couples to go on stage and they basically just asked them loads of questions, but it's just hilarious. What else did we do? We saw loads of shows in the theatre, a rock show, 90s show, and last night it was Flick, and that was great. It's been so fun. I've done so much on my 8 days on this ship, but today's weather is incredible. So, okay. And I have found 2 little pods right on top of the ship. My little escape.
And that is the end of my 8-day South Pacific trip with Carnival. We have had the best time of all 10. We spent the entire day today on the way back to Brisbane in the sun. We were on the top and that was so nice. The pool was lovely and we also spent the afternoon at the spa. And this is my final outfit for this trip. And I hope you guys find this video useful of what to pack for your next Carnival cruise.